So you're going to use that bit of water and you're going to run it down the edges. So just one side, so you can see I'm just doing the side closest to me. Now that I'm set up and ready to go, I'm just going to push some of the paste a little bit closer to the end because I do want it right in the corner. Don't want to have any gaps. Okay, perfect. When we fold, we always start by going from the outside edge. So you're going to fold over, not a lot, a centimeter, centimeter and a half, like so. And this is just going to make sure that the poppy seed paste doesn't go anywhere and it's tucked in. Then we're going to fold over from the top. So you're going to go over and just tucking up and over like so. So what I'm doing now is just tucking in that poppy seed paste, very lightly, just closing it with my fingertips. And then I'm going to go over once more. So you can see the poppy seed paste was in the middle. I folded over, tucked it in, made sure it was nice and sealed, and then I'm going over. And that watered seam is going to shut. It's going to stick nice and tight, so don't forget to do the water. Going all the way over. And then, very, very gently, just with the side of your hand or your fingertips, you're just going to close that seam. Just needs a little dab, not too much pressure. And I can always double check by rolling it up and over. And if I have anywhere that's not completely closed, I can just fix it up with my fingertips. So that is one ready to go. I will now do the second one.